All right, there's one more thing that we can do with this problem. We have grams per mole, but I want to know the percent mass of oxygen out of sulfuric acid here. And so here's how I'm going to do that. I have my molar mass, but I want to know what is the molar mass, or what is the mass of hydrogen out of this number that is oxygen. And I'm going to divide those out. So in the end, I'm going to divide out my mass of oxygen and against the mass of H2SO4. That's what I'm going to do. So to get my mass of oxygen, I'll just take, it's actually already calculated here. So I have my oxygen, it's 16 grams per mole of oxygen. I have 4 of them, so it's 64. So I'll take 64, that's my mass of oxygen in H2SO4, and then I'm going to divide that by 98.07. I'm just going to use my phone calculator really quick. So I'll take 64 divided by 98.07, 98.07, and I get this 65 number. So when I look at this number, I just move the decimal place in my head, but you can multiply times 100, and that's going to give you your percent. And that's going to be, I'm going to write times 100 here, and that will equal 65.25, 0.26, my bad. And we'll round that to 3 significant figures, so 65.3%. So in this sulfuric acid here, 64% or 65.3% of the mass of that comes from oxygen, the atoms of oxygen alone in it. And so that's how we can do a percent mass equation. You're just going to take the mass of the piece divided by the mass of the whole. And that's how you do percent mass. If that was helpful.